If you learn these words, you have practically 50% of the Spanish language learned. We will learn 100 words of daily use in Spanish. To make it easier for you to learn, we will place the letters in English and translation and pronounce them in Spanish. Stay with us and we start. Before we start, I want to tell you that if you want to learn Spanish fast without leaving home, in the description of this video I will share with you my #1 recommendation, Spanish Tornado. It has become the must-search video course to learn Spanish for beginners over the internet. Also in the description I will share with you our ebook, The Secret of Learning Spanish Fast and Easy. You can download it for free. So if you want to receive more value content like this, I recommend you to smash the button and subscribe to the channel. And remember to activate the bell or the notification. That way you will know anytime we upload a new video. The number 1. The, la, los, el, or las. It depends on the gender and if it's singular or plural. The next one, and, y, to, a, when it comes to direction, or para. The next one, a, in English, it would be in Spanish, un or una. Of, de. In, en. With, con. For example, if you want to say with my mom, you say con mi mamá. Con mi mamá. Have, tener. I, yo. Eat, comer. Play, jugar. Remember that in Spanish all the verbs must be conjugated before the using. The next one, sí, ver. Drink, beber. Eat, lo or la or es. For, por or para. Not, no. On, en or sobre. He, él. She, ella. That, esa, eso, ese or que. As, como. Like, gustar. You, tú or usted. Tú it's for the informal way and usted is for the formal way. Do, hacer. Hacer. At, en or a. But, pero. This, esta or este. It depends on the gender. By, por. From, desde or de. They, ellos or ellas. His, su. Her, su. We, nosotros. Say, decir. Or, o. An, una, un. My, me. One, uno, when it comes to the number, or un. Their, su or sus. Any, it could be cualquier, cualquiera, alguno or algún. Then, entonces. There, ahí. What, qué. Up, arriba. So, tan or entonces. Out, afuera or fuera. About, sobre or acerca. If, si. Who, quién. Which, cuál. Get, obtener. Repeat with me. Obtener. Go, ir. Make, crear. Or, hacer. When, cuando. Can, poder. Just, justo. Time, el tiempo. Or, la hora. Now, ahora. Know, saber. Or, conocer. Take, tomar. No, still no. Him, lo, le, or él. For example, if I want to say for him, I say para él. Some, un poco, or algunos. People, gente, or la gente. Into, dentro, en, or a. Month, mes. Year, año. Your, tú, tus, or sus. Could, podría. Most, la mayoría de. Again, repeat with me. La mayoría de. Only, solo. Then, que. Other, otro. Look, mirar. Over, arriba de. Repeat with me. Arriba de. It's, su. Also, también. Repeat with me. También. If you want to say me also, you say yo también. Think, pensar. Use, usar, or uso. Number 2, it would be dos. How, cómo. Back, la espalda. When it comes to the part of the body, la espalda. Our, nuestro. Well, bien. Work, trabajar. Again, repeat with me. Trabajar. First, primero. Fire, fuego. Way, camino or el camino. Even, aún. Repeat with me. Aún. New, nuevo. Because, porque. Porque. Want, querer. All, todo. Todo. Help, ayudar. It's the verb, but if you're asking for help, you could say ayuda. Need, necesitar. Necesitar. Give, dar. This, estas or estos. Day, día. Come, venir. Us, nos or nosotros. Smelly, maloliente. Repeat with me. Maloliente. Smell, oler. Hear, oír. Listen, escuchar. Escuchar. Be, ser or estar. The verb to be in English, in Spanish, it uses two kinds of verbs. The verb ser and the verb estar. Laugh, reír. Reír. To buy, comprar. Comprar. To sell, vender. Vender. argue, discutir, discutir. Bother, molestar, molestar. Remember that in the description of this video I'll share with you the #1 course to learn Spanish online from Teachable platform. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell on notifications so you will always be informed when we upload a new video. And if you think this content was of great value, share it with your friends or in the social networks. Also, let us know in the comments that you would like to continue watching on this channel. That will help us to bring you the best content. If you want to say hello, you can do it. We will return all the greetings. Bye!